So I'm going to enter my domain name here. This domain name was graciously given to us by Jim Cook, our client. So I'm going to enter here. So this will be the first page you see upon entering our site. Our project essentially requires that you have a Google account because our client Jim required that we store no personal information. So basically we'll just be using Google to authenticate you. So as you can see here, we're just going to log in. So if you look towards the bottom left, you can see that we have your Google email displayed here. So it shows that you're the one that's actually logged in. And we also have a linked Untappd account. So before you can actually add any beers, you're actually required to link your Untappd account. So if you're going to link your Untappd account, it goes through here. And what happens is you can link here. So let's just sign in with so as you can see, now you're considered signed in. So you can actually close the page here, and now you're signed in. Here we go. So let's observe the various features that our site has. So as you can see on the top right, we have these different view modes. So if you click on this, you can see that you're now viewing your inventory as a sort of table. And if you click on this, you view your inventory as a sort of group of tiles. So if you click on one item here, you can see the name of the beer, and you can also see all this hidden information that you weren't able to see previously. So let us test a core functionality of our site, which is the add beer. So let's just try adding in something. Let's add a Corona. So as you can see, you have all these options. So let's select a certain type of Corona. So all this information that you're seeing right now is actually pulled from the Untappd database. So whatever that's not in the Untappd database, you will pretty much not see it here. So let's try adding this item here. So as you can see, all these redundant fields are just sort of filled out by themselves to save you time. Let's just input some random information here. So once you click this button, you can see that whatever we just added comes up here, and you have all this information that you previously put in. So it's really convenient. Let us look towards the left side. So as you can see, we've got a sort of panel here, which can be opened or closed at your leisure. So we have a list of sorts. So essentially you can sort by various different things. So you can sort by name, you can sort by price, brewery, ABV percentage, and date purchased. We also have a list of filters you can actually sort of click on here. So let's just try beer type. So if you click on a filter, you can see that it will basically only show you items that are of a specific beer type. So you can see a stout. You can actually click on more than one item and it's fine. It actually adds it all. And you can also maybe try brewery. So maybe Asahi breweries. So you have Asahi's only, or you can search for them both. Very convenient. This actually is very useful because our targeted audience are essentially beer enthusiasts like our client Jim, who basically have a massive collection of beers, and it's very helpful to have a list of filters to filter out certain types of beer. So thank you for witnessing our demonstration.